This is Ralph. And this young lady is the one who got him.
Rafa! Bravo, Rafa!
250 years of El Dia del Gallo. Ines waiting 10 years for the moment.
So cute.
Controversy surrounding her age, 14 years old.
Not 10, even more, 12.
Wow. And now he's all yours. What are you going to do with him?
No, I don't know. I want to give him to a farm. Not a farm, well, people that have chickens, but they don't have a rooster and they need a rooster. And they want to buy one. So I want to give them this rooster.
Traditionally, for El Dia de Gallo is old. Or the Gaia.
It's always a gallo.
Oh, it is?
It's always a rooster.
Oh, excuse me.
Take that out.
He's already up to... What are you doing, boy? Come on.